Welcome to YouTube channel Maths classes for 10th class students, class number 8. If you are visit my channel first time, please do subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get more updation about my videos. Like it my video and share it to your friends. So today topic is logarithms. So let's go to the topic. Before going to start the class, if you are not watched my previous videos, I will provide the links in the description. Please do watch my previous videos also. So let us go to the topic. So topic is logarithms. Logarithms. What is the topic? Logarithms. So logarithms are nothing but it is another form of the exponent. Definition: logarithm are an other form of exponential form. Exponents. For example, here I am taking 8 is equal to 2 cube. 8 is equal to 2 cube. It is a exponential form. So we know that 2 is the base. 2 is the base and 3 is the exponent, which means is 2 cube is equal 2 into 2 into 2. 3 times it should be multiplied. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. That is equal to 8. How can we change this exponential form in logarithm? So it is very simple. Log 8 base 2. What we have here? Base 2. That base you have to write the down suffix. So you have to write down exactly. So should write a small, don't bigger than 8. That is equal to 3. One more example. 64 is equal to 8 square. How can I change this into logarithm form? Log 64 base 8 is equal to 2. So 125 is equal to 5 cube, which is equal to log 125 base 5 is equal to 3. Log means logarithms. This sentence also write in the classwork. In general, if a to the power of x is equal to n, then we write x is equal to log a, x is equal to log n base a. Base a is a right small one, not bigger, same size. A is not right in a same size. Where a is greater than 0, a does not equal to 1, n is greater than 0 and a comma n belongs to R. R means real numbers. A and R belongs to real numbers. Now we are going to do this. What is the do this? Write the powers to which the base to be raised the following. So it is a old textbook. It is printed in 2016. So what I thought here, it is a exponential form. You should convert into uh, logarithm forms. So now here I am going to, if you write here, what you write the following exponents into logarithm forms. You have to change this question and write like that. I think in a new textbook, so he asked like that only. He gave mistake here. I think so that you can verify uh, new textbook. I don't have no new textbook right now. So if you have a new textbook, you can check it. I will give the clarification. If it is same question is there, I will give the clarification later. So now I am going to these exponents into logarithm forms. So first one, so 7 is equal to 2 to the power of x. 7 is equal to 2 to the power of x. First problem, 7 is equal to 2 to the power of x. So log 7 base is 2, base write down, is equal to x. So it is the logarithm form of the given exponent. So one more problem I will tell you. So third one, 1 by 81 is equal to 3 to the power of c. 3 to the power of c. So I will change the logarithm form. Log 1 by 81 base is 3. Here what we have, base 3. So you have to write the base down, size in small, is equal to c. So fifth one, 1 by 257 is equal to 4 to the power of a. How can I change this into logarithm form? Log 1 by 257 base is 4, base right down here, is equal to a. Okay, understood? Try this. Write the following relations in exponential form and find the value of respective variables. So what is the first problem? Log 32 base 2 is equal to x. Log 32 base 2 is equal to x. Log 32 base 2 is equal to x. Here variable is x. We are, first of all, we are converting to exponential form. So he has given a logarithm form. This logarithm form convert into exponential form. Then you find the x value. So how can you change? This is the base, this is the exponent. So 232 is equal to 2 to the power of x. Already the exponential form convert into logarithm form. So this is the base, this is the power. So 2 to the power of x is equal to 32. Now 32, find the you find the prime factors of 32. So what are the prime factors? 2 16s are 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are. So 1 2 3 4 5. So 32 I can express 2 to the power of 5, that is equal to 2 to the power of x. So here exponents law, by using exponents law, bases are equal, then exponents also equal. So therefore x is equal to 5. What he asked in the question? the logarithm form, convert into exponential form, then find the respectable variable value. Find the value of variable, respective variable. So this is the x value. Now fourth one, log 1 by 343 base 7 is equal to minus a. Here first of all we convert into exponential form, then find the value of a here. Fourth one, log 1 by 343 base 7 is equal to minus a. So now convert this. This is the base, this is the exponent. So 1 by 343 is equal to 7 to the power of minus a. Now you have to find the find factorization of 343. 7 table. 7 4s are 7 4s are 28. 6 7 9s are 63. 7 7s are. So 1 by 7 cube, that's equal to 7 to the power of minus a. So there is a one exponential law, 1 by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of minus n. By using this law, I will write like this: 7 to the power of minus 3 is equal to 7 to the power of minus a. So bases are equal, then exponential also equal. So therefore a is equal to 3. So what is the a value here? 3. Now I am going to prove some properties of logarithms, nothing but which are using, we are using as a formulas. So the first one, first property or first formula I am going to prove. So let x is equal to a to the power of n and y is equal to a to the power of m. Now we have to find x and m, x and y, x and y is equal to a to the power of n into a to the power of m, which is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So why? Because there is a one exponential law, that is bases are equal. If you find the product of bases are equal, exponents are different, we have to add the exponents. So x is equal to a to the power of n. What is the logarithm form of this one? Yes, you are correct. Log x base a is equal to n. Log x base a is equal to n. What is the, so now y is equal to a to the power of m, then what is the logarithm form of this one? So yes, you are correct. Log y base a is equal to m. So xy is equal to a to the power of m plus n, that is equal to, what is the logarithm form of this one? Log xy base a is equal to m plus n. So m plus n. So from this log xy base a is equal to log xy base a is equal to m plus n. So log xy is equal to what is the m? What is the n? Sorry, it is m, it is n. So m, say m plus n, and it is m. This is n. N. Okay, don't be confused. Okay, so xy m plus n. So m is what? M is equal to log x base a plus n is equal log y base a, log y base a. This is the first formula or first property of logarithms. Now second property. What is the second property? Before going to explain second property, you have to write in the classwork. In general, we can write this as log x xy, log xy base a is equal to log x base a plus log x plus or log y base a, where x comma y are positive real numbers, a does not equal to 0. So this one write under this proof. You need proof. Once you asked the proof of the formulas in exam also, you have to write. You have to write down in the classwork. After that, you have to write this sentence. Okay. Next, second formula. Second formula. Let x is equal to a to the power of m. Let x is equal to a to the power of m. What is the logarithm form of this? Log x base a is equal to m. Next, y is equal to a to the power of n. That's equal to log y base a is equal to n. Now I am going to divide. X is divided by y. That's equal to a to the power of m by a to the power of n. A to the power of m by a to the power of n. So we can write a to the power of m minus n. What can we write? A to the power of n minus m minus n. Already this by using exponential law. So finally x by y is equal to a to the power of m minus n. How can we change this in a logarithm form? So log x by y base is what? A. Base a is equal to m minus n. Therefore log x by y is equal to m minus n. So log x by y is equal to m. M is what? Log m is what is the m? Log x base a. Log x base a minus what is the n? Log y base a. Log y base a. This is the second property or second formula of logarithms. So now you should write this one also. What is the? In general, we can write this as x by y is equal to log x minus log y. Log x minus log y. So now here we have a do this express logarithms in the following sum of sum of logarithms. So first one I will tell you, remaining you have to do it. First problem, 35 into 46. It is by using the first property. So it is the x, it is the y. So given this one, solution, log x, log 35 into 46. How can we express this? So how like it is, log xy base a, log xy base a, that is equal to log x base a plus log y base b. So here x is 35, y is 46. How can we express this one? Log 35 plus log 46. You can solve remaining two problems in this way. Now one more do this is here. So that is by using second property, express the following, express the logarithms of following into difference of the logarithms. So what he has given first problem, 23 by 34. So first problem, 23 by 34. So 20 log 23 by 34. So you may get doubt here. So log 35 base is not there, sir, you can ask me. So if not have a base, there is a 10. It is a based on 10. If he not give the base, the base is 10. Always it is 10. So here also we have base 10. So how like it is, log x by y. What is the formula? Log x minus log y. Base a, base a, base a. This is the formula I am going to use here and write the logarithms. So log 23 by 34 is equal to log x. Log x means numerator 23. Log y means log 34. This is the answer for first question. You can solve in the same way remaining three problems. Divided by means just by only. So you have to write the by and you have to write that one. Okay. Now I am going to explain third property or third formula, that is, let x is equal to a to the power of m. So how can we change into logarithm form? Log x base a is equal to m. Okay. Now I am raise the power. What I am raising? Power n on both sides. Raise the power on both sides. Raise the power n on both sides. What happened? X to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m whole power n. So now x to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m n by using exponential form, exponential law. We know that. So how can we write this in logarithm form? Log x to the power of n, log x to the power of n base a is equal to m n. So now log x to the power of n base a is equal to m n. What is the m value? Log x base a. So therefore log x to the power of n base a is equal to, what is the m m value log x base a into n. So n you have to write this side also, log x to the power of n base a is equal to n log x base a. This is the third property of uh, logarithms. So after prove that, you have to write this one. In general, we can write this as log x to the power of n base a is equal to n log x base a, where a comma x comma and n are positive real numbers and a does not equal to 1. Now I am going to tell one problem from do this. By using the formula log x to the power of n base a is equal to n log x base a, convert the following problems. So what is the first problem? Log 7 to the power of 25 base 2. So first one, log 7 to the power of 25 base a. Solution, log 7 to the power of 25 base a. So what formula we are going to use? Log x to the power of n base a is equal to n log x base a. This formula I am going to use here. So what is the it is just write 25 log 7 base a. This is the answer. Remaining problems you have to do. I hope you all understand. If you have any doubt, you keep the comment in the comment box. Thank you one and all. If you not watched my previous videos, please do watch my previous videos. I will give the links in the description box. Thank you.